The journey from waste eggshells to valuable products begins here. Check the sensor readings on line 3.
It looks stable, but throughput is slightly down. Adjust the pneumatic pressure.
Look here, the temperature is stabilizing exactly as projected.
Confirmed. The sterilization conditions are optimal. The sterilized eggshell fragments enter a giant drying system. Warm, filtered air removes remaining moisture.
The results are clear. High calcium levels and high purity.
Excellent. Approved for manufacturing. The latest sensor reading confirms the quality.
Yes, the separation process is highly effective on this batch. The prepared calcium mixture enters high-speed tablet pressing machines. Powerful compression systems create thousands of calcium tablets every minute.
Coating looks perfect. Digital readout confirms optimal thickness.
Moisture level is stable at 14%.
Nutrients are perfectly balanced.
The coating thickness is stabilizing right on target. Good, let's maintain this flow rate for the next batch.
The calcium levels look good on the scanner. We should start applying by the afternoon.